Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the most common questions on the internet, and that question is, what is my IP address? Now before I answer that question, let's first talk about what an IP address is. An IP address is a unique identifier assigned to every device that is connected to the internet. It stands for Internet Protocol Address. Your IP address is like your home address. It tells other devices on the internet where to send information when you request it. Without an IP address, you wouldn't be able to browse the web or access any online services. Now that you know what an IP address is, let's find out what yours is. Well, the easy way of doing that is to simply go to your web browser and go to google.com and then do a search for what is my IP address. And as you'll see, the first result in the Google search results is your actual IP address. And that's it. You now know what an IP address is and how to find yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.